Let's talk about the truths that physical therapy students should know before entering physical therapy school.
You swear that the evidence you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
These are the 3 truths I wish I knew before becoming a physical therapist. So first, the school you pick does not matter. You want to pick the school that gives you the fastest route to graduation for the least amount of money. There is no benefit. You're not going to get paid more because of the school you went to. You're not going to learn more because of the school you went to. You learn everything you need to know in the clinic during practical experience and your clinical rotations. And truthfully, the connections you make in school, out of school, your network is your net worth. That is all true, but you're going to make far more powerful connections as a licensed physical therapist than you're ever going to make as a physical therapy student. Choose the school that gets you through the fastest and the most affordably. Truth number 2 is there's always going to be jobs available in physical therapy. I talk to a lot of students who say their mom or dad or even themselves decided to become a physical therapist because they knew they could always find a job. And while that's totally true, many of those jobs are not going to pay you a livable wage. You likely have an expectation to buy a house, buy a car, maybe go on some trips. The reality is cost of living is getting so high that standard physical therapy salaries just do not compensate you appropriately for the amount of debt that you accumulate during school and the amount of money you're going to make after school. So yeah, there's always going to be physical therapy jobs available, but they probably are not going to pay you as much as you expect to make, want to make, or maybe even need to make. Truth number 3, the saying, do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life is partly true, but the reality is there's nothing you could ever do for a living that doesn't also come with baggage. Being a physical therapist is amazing. I've been a physical therapist since 2006, a private practice owner since 2002. I love what I do and I enjoy treating patients, but treating patients is such a tiny part of what I do as a physical therapist. There's the compliance, the regulation, the documentation, the medical billing, there's a supervision, there's dealing with challenging people, there's managing different personalities in the workforce, whether you're an employed therapist working for a private practice or a hospital or in home health, or you're a business owner, employing therapists. You are always going to have to do things that you don't enjoy. That's part of being an adult, and that's part of the job of being a physical therapist. So while it is true, you get to do the thing you love, you also have to do all the stuff you hate so that you can do the thing you love. Bottom line is there is no perfect job. There is no one answer to happiness. Love the process, enjoy the challenges, and you'll be happy no matter what you do.